Here's your question. I want to get into the tea business, but where do I start? Or, I have a successful tea business and I'd like to expand into a new market, but I don't necessarily want to launch a second location yet. Mobile tea vending might be the perfect solution for you. I'm Kevin Christiansen, and join me this summer at WTE Expo as we cover tents and trailers, where I'll give you tips and tricks for launching your next mobile tea venture. I'm gonna draw on almost 20 years of touring experience to challenge you with questions and give you ideas about how you can set yourself for success. Almost 7 years ago, I started this organization, Mobile, and had tremendous success, and you can too. So join me this summer in Vegas at WTE Expo as we talk about your next big idea.